Kim lives in a, okay, what do you think? In a flat or in a house?
In the flat.
Okay, can you check it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, next one. Number two, Min-An. Okay, what do you think does Kim goes to? Ah, okay. She goes to.
Clocks.
Okay, next one. Kim is in class number.
11.
Okay, next one. Number four. Kim's eyes are.
Brown.
Okay. Next one. Her hair is. Okay, let's see. Okay, her hair. Okay, where is the. Okay, yeah, great job, Min Ann. Her hair is brown too. Okay, next one. Okay, can you read this one, Min Ann?
Kim plays the
Okay, what is this one again?
guitar.
Okay, this is guitar. Guitar.
Guitar.
Okay, next one, number seven, Min Ann.
Kim's books are in the
What do you think? Okay, let's. Okay, next one, number eight. Can you read it?
Kim's favorite stories are about
Do you remember it? Okay, what is it?
animal.
Wow, great job, Min, and all of your answers are correct.